Welcome to tonight's episode of Tad's Random Things. I'm attempting to do this using iMovie 08, which I understand sucks, but that's probably okay for Tad's Random Things. And I've got some text written in TextEdit here. I've got my trusty web browser open over here. So, here we go. Tonight's Random Things. The big story of the day is apparently John Edwards has endorsed Obama as president for, I guess, the Democratic nomination. I guess that means that the campaign is now more over than it was before tonight. Whatever. The next thing for tonight is I want to talk about the IFi Card, which is one of my favorite things of all time. Here's my camera. This is a Nikon Coolpix 12 megapixel doodad. Anyway, let me get out the IFi Card. Show you what that looks like. Whoa, no, it turned on. Alright. So, here is the little IFi Card. This little card is a 2 gigabyte SD memory card, and it includes on it a Wi-Fi card. I will take a picture here of my silly self, and there we go. Now, having taken this picture, hopefully the IFi manager will realize that I took a picture here in just a moment, and it will automatically upload the picture to Flickr so that everybody can see the picture up on Flickr to the internet. IFi has just released a new card called the IFi Explorer, which is the same exact card but new software that will allow it to upload to any open hotspot. That's pretty cool. So anywhere you take photos, they will automatically stream, I suppose, up to Flickr or to wherever you want to save it. This thing's really useful if you're in an area that has Wi-Fi and you witness something that should be documented. If you witness a mugging or police beating somebody up or something really unethical, etc., etc. I think that's pretty cool. The last thing that I want to talk about tonight is an application for the iPod and the iPhone. This is my iPod Touch. I think it's going to be too bright to really be of much use. This app that I'm in love with today is called Halo, HAHLO.com. And I'm loading it up here, and yeah, I think it's going to be too, well, you can kind of see it there. So let me go to the page. Halo is the nicest Twitter client that I've seen for the iPhone and the iPod Touch. Let's go here, and I'm just really impressed with the, oh yeah, I haven't used this before, with the interface. It's really nice, and I like all the groovy JavaScript. If I press this menu button here, you'll see a groovy menu that'll pop up, and each item in the menu, instead of being a link like you would see on a normal web page, is the size for a not too fat finger. So as long as you're not a big chubby person, you can probably press these buttons. So, and I like the little Ajax style loading thing that you can't see because it just went away. Anyway, it's the nicest Twitter client that I've seen for the iPhone. Now we need a really nice friend feed client, and I'll be pretty happy. And by the way, this iPod Touch, my favorite piece of technology of all time. Look how thin this little bastard is. It's a good bit thinner than an iPhone if you have an iPhone. This thing is so freaking sexy. I love it. I do, for real. It's hot. So, that's Tad's Random Things for tonight. That's it. Until next time, toodaloo.